Okay. $7.5 discount and markup. What do you mean?
Usually you put 7.5.
Oh. Did we do, we didn't do 7.4, did we? Okay, let's do 7.5, and then tomorrow we may do 7.4. We may be going backwards. That's okay. All right, so 7.5 discount and markup. All right, retail price.
Oh, this is like money. Right?
What?
Does this have to do with money?
Yeah, this is real world. Retail price is the regular amount. That's how much you pay. That's the regular amount, and I'm going to say you pay.
Aside from taxes.
Yeah, like if you go to the store right now and a shirt is $25, the retail price is $25. The discount is the amount by which a price is reduced. Y'all know that. This might be a 2-day thing. Like we may start it today and then also work on it Monday. And that's fine.
Back to 7.4.
Huh?
And then go back to 7.4.
Yeah, no, we're all over the place. But it's okay. You're still learning. Okay, so the retail price is how much you would normally pay when you walk into the store. The discount is how much, it's amount by which a price is reduced. Discount rate. I have it in quotes. It is the percent of the retail price. What? 7.1? Hold on. The one I showed you yesterday. Hold on. Let me do this. I'll show you. Of which the retail price is reduced. For example, 30% off sale. And keep in mind, whenever you see the word rate, we're talking about percent. There you go. Okay, find other ones just like that when you're doing that. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, we can pause it.
Okay.
Welcome back.
Okay. Formula. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Percent in that conversion chart times whole equals part. That says whole, by the way. my O and my,
Total.
yeah, my O and my L kind of ran together. So percent times whole equals part.
I know.
The percent, remember this formula? Percent times whole equals part, we kind of talked about. This is your discount rate. The whole is your retail price. And part is your discount.
Ow.
I know. If everyone's got it. For example, 30% off of $25 is what? 30% off of $25 is going to be your discount. We got to figure out what that is. So, Ataya, what do we do to percent? Which is? Yeah, okay, so she's correct. We moved the decimal 2 places to the left. So we have 0.3. We'll just go with 0.30. What is of? And then $25. So 0.30 times $25 is, and I'm just going to tell y'all for the sake of time, $7.50. That's how you figure out the discount. Now, here's the thing with that. When you go to a store, it's 30% off of something. You change it to a decimal, multiply it by that, and it gives you this. This, whoops, is not. That's right.
It's what's taken off.
That's right. What you pay.
We have to subtract it.
That's right. It's how much you take off of $25. So write that down. Go get printer paper, and then you change it to pound. Look at your notes from yesterday. You said you took all those notes. So what goes down here? That's right, and then what goes up there? Okay.
I never understood conversions.
They're terrible. Okay. So, like Ataya said, this is your discount. That's not what you end up paying. That's how much is taken off of $25. So it's $25 minus the $7.50, which is your discount, and you end up paying $70.50. This is the new price, or what's called the sale price. There you go. Okay, so does that kind of help you understand what's going on here? You have your regular price of an item, $25. And they're like, hey, we're having a big sale, 30% off everything. Well, let's see how much this would be. So then you would take you'd take 30%, change the decimal, multiply it by whatever the price of the item is. You get your discount. When you subtract the two, that's how much you end up paying. This is real world stuff that's pretty important. Kelly, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I just told you that this is the sale price right here, right? That's how much you're now paying. So, we need to write that down. Sale price is what you end up paying after the discount. Okay, y'all ready? All right, let's see. Okay, so let's do an example. We have the retail price as $27.80. We have the discount rate at 15%. And we want to know what is the sale price. So this is kind of like a two-step problem. The first thing we need to find is the discount. We're missing the discount because the sale price, to get there, we have to find the discount, right? So, step one, we're doing discount rate times retail price equals discount. That's the first thing we're going to do because we need to find the discount to be able to find the sale price. So, yes, Kelly.
Just to make sure the discount is the sale price, correct?
No. Let's see. We need to find this to find this. We need to get the discount to find the sale price. Because remember right here, we found the discount, but to find the sale price, we have to subtract.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize. This stuff is crazy. Okay, so what is the discount rate, Kelly?
The discount rate is 15.
15%, right? Times, what is the retail price, Kelly?
27.80.
Okay, what do we do to the percent, Kelly?
You move the percent to two spaces.
You mean the decimal? Yeah. Okay, so we're changing it to a decimal. So what we end up having is 0.15 times 27.80. Now, to save on time, we multiply, and to get the discount, I'll let y'all catch up. So if you multiply, you end up getting $4.17 that equals the discount. Does everyone understand that? Joseph, do you understand? Kelly, do you understand? Okay, but we're looking for the sale price. We've got the discount, but we need that discount to find the sale price. So step 2, we have retail price minus discount, and that equals sale price. I'll let y'all catch up. You there, Kelly? Okay, so what is the retail price, Joseph?
The retail price is $27.80.
And what's the discount, Talia? $4.17. That's going to give us our sale price. So, save on time, if you subtract these, you end up getting $23.63 is your sale price. This is how much you end up paying. So the item was originally $27.08. It's on sale, so now you're only paying $23.63. Any questions? Sometimes when you see 30% off, 15% off, you get so excited until you do the math and you're like, it's $4. I mean, 50% off one thing. You're gonna.
I got it.
Hey, good job. Doesn't that feel good? Okay. Any questions? So you do know that just because something's on sale, don't get too excited. The bigger this number is, the better the sale. 10%, please. That's only going to take tax off. Okay, so let's learn something new.
So you still have to pay tax.
Yeah. So almost, yeah. Okay.
You're just paying for the original price. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about markups and stuff like that.
I think some markups.
No, markups.
Pizza.
Okay, so I'm going to throw some, so we're talking about something different now. I'm going to throw some new words at you. Cost. When you see the word cost, that is the manufacturer's price. For example, you go to Academy, okay? Academy sells Nike shoes, okay? Or Adidas or like that. So let's say they're sitting there selling Nike shoes. They didn't make the Nike shoes. The Nike manufacturer, they made the shoes. So Academy has to pay to get those shoes in their store. That's at cost. Then Academy jacks up the price, marks it up to their price. They have to make a profit or they don't exist. So like when I'm going to buy a vehicle, and now it's usually posted on the paperwork. I'll ask. They'll have the price of the vehicle on the window or something. I'm like, well, what was your cost? how much did you pay, you know, the dealership to get that Ford vehicle or whatever? And they'll say $25,000. Okay. Well, I'm only going to, whoops, hold on. So the dealership may have paid Ford $25,000. That's their cost. And I'll tell them, okay, well, I see how much you've marked it up. I'm only going to pay a little over the cost. I'm going to let you have some profit, but I'm not going to let you have all that profit.
You can do that.
So, yeah, you can, you know.
Negotiate.
Yeah, it doesn't mean they'll go with it. You're going to have to wait. Keep working. Try to figure it out. Use your notes.
It doesn't say how many tablespoons are in a teaspoon. Huh?
Google it.
I did. It says 0.3.
Okay, just get that one wrong. Just get that one wrong if I explain. Okay, so cost is what they pay for the actual product, okay? The company. Markup is increase above cost. Markup is the increase above cost. That's how much they'll jack up the price of shoes and clothing, name brand stuff, cars, furniture even, you know, they have to mark it up. And hey, 6th grade, I can hear you.
But what if it's like a dealership for that particular brand of car?
A Ford dealership?
Yeah.
I still manufacture.
So if you got a car that is like a Ford car from a Ford business, would they have paid Ford?
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Because they're just going to sell that. They're associated with them, but they still have that cost, and then they mark it up, and then markup rate again. Anytime you see that word rate, that's percent.
All of the cars
I don't know about that. That's just markup rate, 30%, whatever. Okay, so now we understand the vocabulary. I know. Teaching them how to buy a car. Okay, so the formula for this markup rate times cost equals markup. Cost, there's two. Cost plus markup equals retail price. Remember, we talked about retail price already today. It's what you pay. And I'm going to write that. So let's say the car is $25,000 the cost. That's how much the dealership paid to get it on their lot. They're going to mark it up maybe $10,000. And then we end up paying $35,000 for a car that cost them $25,000. See what I'm saying? And I get that they have to make a profit. They got to stay in business. But yeah, I'm like, no, I'm not going to pay that, And so I try to get my vehicles as close to cost as possible without being mean.
Can you buy a car directly from a manufacturer?
That's a good question. I don't know. I want to say you can and have them ship it to you. I don't know.
Car really expensive.
I mean, I don't know. That's something to look into.
Because then you might not have the markup.
Cut out the middleman. That's what you're doing. You're cutting out the middleman.
Because then you don't have to worry about Yeah, like you said, middleman.
Yeah.
Like making price up.
Okay, so we're ready? Okay, example. Let's say the cost is $28.
You have dots there, right?
Yeah. I'm just saying cost is $28. Markup rate 25%. I want to know what the markup is. No, I'm going to take that out. I'm just going to say I want to know what the retail price is. So all I gave you was cost and markup rate. I need to know the retail price. Now, if my end result is right here, retail price, to get, now Kelly, are you done writing?
Yes.
Okay, now look right here, Kelly. I'm looking for retail price. Here's retail price. To get retail price, it's cost plus markup. They gave me the cost, but did they give me the markup? No, they didn't. So we've got to find markup to be able to find retail price. So this is like, again, another two-step problem. So step one, and I'm going to make this short, markup rate times cost equals markup. Markup rate. Mister. So, Atalia, what is the markup rate? 25%. And the cost is what? $28. And what do we do, Kelly, to the percent?
You turn into a decimal.
So it's really point, and you got to remember that decimal. 0.25 times 28 equals markup. Now to save on time, 0.25 times $28 is $7. So now we have our markup. But now, that's just your markup. Now we got to find the retail price. So up here, to find retail price, it's cost plus markup equals retail price. So my cost is 28. My markup is 7. $28 plus 7 is 35. So my retail price, what you pay, is $35. So whatever this item was, let's say, okay, the store paid $28 to have that item in their store. They marked it up by 7. So that's the store's profit right there is really what you're talking about. You're paying $35 for an item that the store paid $28 for. You see what I'm saying?
So $7 would be their profit.
$7 would be their profit. If you were a store owner,
That'd be cool.
right? You would adjust your markup. How much you gonna mark it up? If you mark it up too much, people won't pay.
It depends on the item.
Well, but still, people may not pay. If you take that markup and undercut other stores by $1 or $2, just $1 or $2, people will find out, come to you, and you will sell more items. So in the long run, you'd be making more profit. You see what I'm saying? Like, okay, Italia is selling this product at $7 markup. Same product that Kelly is selling hers for. But Kelly said, you know what? Italia's over there making $7 profit for each sale of this item. I'm going to just do a $5 markup. I may be getting less in profit, but then people find out, oh, wait, they're $1 or $2 cheaper over at Kelly's. So then let's go over there. You see what I'm saying? Huh?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
What?
Kelly's Country Cookie.
Kelly's Country Cookie. That's
When
cute.
you said Kelly's, I'm like, that sounds
That is
Yeah, so
cute.
that's what I was saying.
Okay, so do you see what I'm saying? You can play with that. But you got to be careful because if you undercut too much, you make no money. Even if everyone bought it from you, you're still $5 a sale. You're going to, not make a whole lot of money to live on. You know what I'm saying? It's just going to be okay. So it's funny how if you bump it up too much, you may not sell as much. If you have too low, you got to find that happy medium. Oh yeah, of course I have. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's open our book. Examples 290, 291. Okay, y'all there? That's okay. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to stop right there. Okay, hold on. We're going to stop right there.